Preparing for today's session, I have deleted all the files related onto PythonParts in my Allplan, so I can introduce and instruct you how to install the PythonParts from scratch. Okay, let's go. So as you might know, when we send you an email for child or activation key, we always attach a link for the installation file and instruction, etc. Now let me open that link to see what we have. Okay, here you can see in this link, we have a file folder for language, instruction, video, installation file, and some other file. The first folder you can see language folder. With this folder contain language file, which you can use to translate into your favorite language. And then you can use the PythonParts with this language. For the second folder, we can find some instruction video. They're not very necessary because we can find many more videos in our YouTube channel. You can see our YouTube channel on the PythonParts, Allplan and on here. You can visit our channel to find the latest update for the PythonParts here. So go to the next folder for installation file. Open this folder, and you can see that we separate the file for installation for each version of Allplan. You can see here. Okay, we open the folder for our Allplan 2024. Then we can download the installation file here. And we can you can see we have a 3 file. std is for the PythonParts. prg is for the library, and also an instruction video. Watch and follow the steps in this video. You can know how to install onto PythonParts. But of course, now I will show you here in my Allplan 2024. Okay, I copy the file to the desktop so you can easy to follow the step. Okay, we have a 2 file for the std file for the PythonParts and program file for the library. Let's extract the std file. And then we can copy the file inside the std folder. Then we follow the path here. Service File Explorer, Office Standard. The purpose is that we can install the PythonParts in our office. Okay, here. Now about the file for the PythonParts here. It's very fast, as you can see. Okay, we have installed the PythonParts in our std folder, so everyone in our office can use the PythonParts. But to run the PythonParts, every computer must have the library for the interface. If we don't have have library, the tool cannot run. And the file to install for the library, as you can see here, program file. I will extract this file. Next step, I copy the whole folder. Remember that the whole folder. Copy and go to the path service file explorer and cat program folder. Then I pass the file, the folder here. And because we are copying the file into the program folder, so we may need to provide an administrator permission. So I do this for all current items. And click continue to install the PythonParts. And finish. Okay, we successfully installed the PythonPart and also the library. And now the PythonPart can work. Let's open our Allplan 2024 and check. Okay, the PythonPart was successfully installed, and you can find them in library, Office, PythonPart, and onto or onto free tools. The onto package will contain on the PythonPart for building reinforcement.